Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from the United States. This is from a reader named Steven. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Viet cuisine Asian style instant noodle with mushroom. Are they both with mushroom? They're both with mushroom. I don't like mushroom, but that's okay. It's worth a try. These are different. I've never seen... Have I had anything by Viet cuisine? I may have. I don't know. This is really weird. Steve sent me a message asking me if I'd tried this stuff. Oh, it's VFon. It says on the side if I'd tried these, and no, I'd never even seen them before. So these are Vietnamese, so that's awesome. Nice to get some new Vietnamese varieties. They're pretty far and few between these days. So alrighty, well, cool. Thank you very much. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.